Hello, my dear friends. Hope you are fine, doing well. Welcome back to the channel in that magical time of year again when lights twinkle, the scent of paint fills the air, and creativity flows through every cozy corner of our homes. Today, I'm going to share beautiful, affordable, and mindful Christmas tree decoration ideas that will make your home sparkle without breaking the bank. Whether you are decorating a full size tree, a small table top one, or even creating your own DIY wooden or cardboard tree, these ideas will bring warmth, joy, and creativity to your holiday season. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into the festive spirit. Before we start decorating, think about your theme. Do you want something classic with red, gold, and green, or something modern like silver and white with a touch of minimal wood tones? Some people love rustic farmhouse style tree with burlap, pine cones, and geotrope. Others go for a glitzy, glamorous tree filled with metallic ornaments and shimmering ribbons. Rustic theme brown, cream, and gold. Winter wonderland white, silver, and blue. Traditional red, green, and gold. Once your theme is clear, every decoration will flow beautifully. Let's start with the base. The light Christmas lights set the mood of your entire tree. Use warm white light or a cozy traditional feel or cool white and blue tones for a crisp modern look. Start wrapping lights from the base upward in a zigzag motion rather than going in a circle. This gives more depth and even glow. If you are using a small space or mini tree, battery operated fairy lights work wonderfully and keep things tidy. Turn off room lights, and when the testing, you will instantly see how magical your design feels. Now comes the fun part, ornaments. You don't have to spend a fortune at the store. You can create beautiful ornaments using simple material from your home or even Dollar Tree. Jute, a pine cone ornaments, wrap jute twist around pine cone with add small bow, perfect for the rustic decoration. Wooden slice ornaments, write positive quotes or Christmas wishes on a small wooden circles. Burlap bows, cut strip of burlap and them into cute bows for a cozy farmhouse touch. Deer snow flags, use white cardboard, glitter, and glue the look elegant and homemade. Mason jar ornaments, paint them, decorate with teeny bells or fabric, and hang them with string. You can even personalize some with names or small photo. These little details make your Christmas tree more meaningful and heartwarming. Next, let's add texture and flow using ribbons or garland. You can weave burlap ribbon, lace, or mesh through your tree to create layers. If you prefer something simple, string together dried oranges sliced, cinnamon sticks, or wooden beads. They smell amazing and look naturally beautiful. Now for the cream of your Christmas tree, the topper. Traditional people use a star or an angel, but you can get creative here too. Try handmade wooden star, a big burlap bow, or even a cluster of pine cones and greenery tied together. If your tree is small, a simple paper star on snowflakes works perfectly and adds charm. Your topper symbolizes hope, joy, and the spirit of Christmas, so make it special. Don't forget the base of your tree wrapped in the woven basket, burlap cloth, or even an old blanket to hide the stand. Add a few wrapped gift boxes, small lantern, or fairy lights around the bottom to complete the look. If you want something eco-friendly, use old cardboard boxes, wrap in brown paper and tied with twins. Simple, rustic, and sustainable. As you decorate, take a deep breath. Notice the sparkle of each ornament, the scent of pine, and the joy that fills the room. Decorating your Christmas tree is not just about making it look pretty, it's about connecting with family, slowing down, and being present in the moment. Every handmade decoration holds a story, every ornament you hang become a memory. This is mindfulness, creating beauty with gadget and calmness, and that's your beautiful, meaningful, and affordable Christmas tree is ready to shine. Remember, it's not about perfection; it's about the love, laughter, and creativity you bring to it.